Hey nerds! Today I am going to get on a call with Azure and Budgie54, and it got weird. We all turned into Azure clones, and I thought it was pretty funny. And if you enjoy, please subscribe. A small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so if you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Now enjoy the video. Today I'm being a depressed Azure, and I'm with my weirdos because they're so weird. Help me, please.
No, get out then. I'm kicking you. I'm unbutting you.
Wow, but
I
you just
traded
really
with
traded.
That's
Just be trading.
Oh my god, lag 77 cancel the trading. I'm sad now. I'm gonna cry.
Lag 77.
Yeah, there's just lag 77. I could relate though. Guys, I'm gonna go listen to some Rick Roll music. Hold on.
Rick Rollness.
I don't know how
Oh my gosh, Budgie.
This is a video, Budgie.
No,
Yeah.
where'd Budgie go?
I'm gonna
We have
cry.
lost our
I don't
Budgie.
see them, but they're here. Oh, Budgie just
Yeah,
ran
I'm
off.
here.
Let's
We
go
lost our
scare
Budgie.
people in my den again. There's like one person in my den.
Yes.
Yeah, time to scare people. Fun.
Hi.
Oh my god, your penguins are.
Oh my gosh.
Ew, this
Oh my
is
gosh.
trading.
They're here.
Stop
And this
trading.
is like a new person. Okay.
Trade-
We're just
stop
like
Once they
trading.
get
bro.
out of the trade, we all do smiley emojis.
Wait, guys. I think it's the guy from Lucky Charms. Can I have an order, please?
Lucky
They're
Lucky
magically
Charms.
delicious.
surround them. Sit down and like
Yeah,
circle
surround
them.
them.
This could be.
Oh my god. This looks scary.
They're gonna get out of the trade to see this.
Wait, hold on.
They
I
have
an
to.
idea. Let's do Max. Wait, no.
Fucking so many times.
Wait,
Okay,
I
we'll
have
do like the
rare
smiley face emoji, right?
and the regular freezing dragon.
I love how I'm the only one without red dragon wings, but you'd
'Cause
think
you're
it'd be
broke.
different.
Yeah. Look, are you happy?
When will
now?
they get out of the trade? I'm confused.
Please.
Oh my god, this is
Budgie will be with me.
Yeah.
Yay!
Two freedoms, two
Two.
normal.
Quotes from Puffy.
Normal.
What is
Normal.
Budgie 79, will you be my Valentine?
M? Dramatic cries.
Dramatic.
You have what you activity of the.
I will call you to the.
Oh my gosh.
My
I love how we're
dear
just
Azure
surrounding
21
this
spare, please
green
marry
blob.
me.
Wait, are they actually called? Oh, I thought they were like called Love Blob, but instead it was Love Blubbles.
They're
Blubbles.
That's-
Ah, yes, Blubbles.
Bubbles.
Blubbles.
Gonna get some blubbles up in here.
Oh, I shouldn't say that. It could accept. It could. Okay, I can't speak today. It could upset someone or get me in trouble.
Yes,
Oh,
edit that
Bubbles.
part out.
I'm gonna report you.
Yeah,
I'm
professional
reporting you
jammer
in-
and
I'm gonna
No,
report you for
no,
spamming. Inappropriate hackney. Inappropriate jag.
No, 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 no.
I report
Oh
you.
my
when is
God.
this person
I
getting out
regret
of their
it now.
trade?
Stupid Blubbles, I hate it.
I'm unputting you now.
When is this person getting out of their trade, please? Oh, hey,
I'm
there's
gonna
3
create
people
the
in my
Lucky
den.
Charms music remix.
Oh my gosh.
There's 3
Why are
Guys,
they
I'm
people in
gonna
my
still
den.
create the
trade?
Lucky Charms remix.
Why are
now.
they like this?
We have.
I'm.
We are waiting.
The snack that smiles.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Smiley emoji! Smiley emoji! I have to get back in the circle. Smiley emoji. OMG!
What? Exclamation point.
What? No way. Ah, yes. The Azures surround you.
Snack that smiles back. Goldfish.
That smiles back. Goldfish.
Cries.
Cries. Oh my gosh, they're crying. I
I'm
feel
not
bad.
laughing.
Cries dramatically.
Heartbroken so many times.
Believe
I'm gonna cry
in.
in
Oh my gosh. Oh no,
Flowers.
Azure's famous.
not on the circle.
believe
I'm
in
gonna
dragon.
cry. Heartbroken so many times. OMG, OMG. That's the most OMG moment I've ever seen.
OMG moment.
When you see
OMG
4 Azures
moment.
surrounding you while you were in a trade the whole time.
And
I know, right? And Budgie.
And
yes.
Budgie! Uh-oh.
Buggy
They know you're
79.
Budgie. You're not Budgie 79. You're Budgie 54. Fake.
No, please.
Oh hey, Budgie's
I'm
like
gonna
54
report.
years old.
No. No, doesn't report me.
The
I might
funny
just
thing
randomly
is, people
say
reported
no.
you for copying me.
Oh my
Since you
God.
can like perfectly mimic my outfit.
Mimicking this.
Perfectly.
Perfectly!
Are you okay?
Budgie79, will you be my
Wait.
Valentine?
Happy birthday.
Dramatic cries.
Wait,
I'm gonna
Azure.
cry in the moment.
Happy Shut up.
No.
Oh my gosh, these
Hello,
Discord
my love
notifications
bubbles.
are gonna be the end of me. I'm gonna go cry in the... What is up with these puffy
How
puppies
come
quotes?
You have
Although that quote's from you.
what?
No, not in the
I'll
mountain.
listen.
I mean, no, not on the mountain. In the mountain.
In the mountain.
Cool. Muting is so cool. No, it's not, Budgie.
No, unmute yourself.
No, why'd you mute Budgie? How come you're on both of your accounts? Cool.
Oh, I'm magical. Did you not know that?
Yeah, big question. How do you have like 2 computers?
I know.
It's one computer.
Oh, Azure plays on her phone. Wow, that's so surprising. I'm gonna cry.
I love you guys. Oh, thank you.
I love you guys. Aw, we love you too.
I wish I had much subs like you. Oh my God.
Soups.
Soups.
Soup.
You're back.
Ramen is better.
Soups.
What?
Is better. Ramen.
What?
Ramen.
Ramen
Raw.
is better. Oh, it's cute. Oh,
Can't.
can you guys
Sub
sub to me,
please?
please?
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Ah, no, you're supposed to say no.
No, I won't be so cruel to a tiny child.
Really? I'm just kidding. Yeah, I will. Thanks you. Smiley face. You're welcome.
You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome.
You're welcome, you're
I did
welcome,
hear
you're
you are
welcome.
too.
I feel
Oh, thanks.
feel
Aw.
beautiful. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks.
Can you, Pawalunar? Well, he's on mute.
on
You
mute.
can never tell the
He died.
answer.
Microphone.
Yes, who faded?
Defeated. No poof.
Faded.
No poof. No please. Not the poof. No please. Not poof.
Goofy.
Poof please.
My user is
My user is
lovebubbles24?
your
question
mom
mark?
79. Your mom 70.
Cool.
Into the mouth.
What? Oh no, not that glizzy thing. No,
it's
please
not. Oh my
no.
God. Into the mouth.
Please no.
Anyways.
No, I am out. Goodbye.
They know. Oh my God.
Wait, what?
You know. You're my favorite person. You're my favorite person.
I am back.
Welcome.
Finally.
God. Guess what?
Guess what?
Budgie, I
Bubbles,
swear, if you don't stop
they
screaming.
know-
This
they
is
know
like the
the-
most quality video collab I've ever done.
They know into
A lot of quality, yes.
No.
Quality.
We are all
Quality.
known for our
Quality.
very awesome
Quality.
quality.
I'm gonna have to put a
videos.
headphone user warning at the beginning of the video just because of Budgie.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
I feel appreciated.
Yes. Make it specially
Oh my
dedicated to
I'm
Budgie.
unbuddying you. Goodbye. Remove. Yes.
Honestly, we should count how many times Budgie says I'm gonna unbuddy you.
I threatened to
doing it.
unbuddy her like twice.
Hi.
Twice the
buddy.
time.
Bye. I'm gonna run away.
I wonder if my spear will ever make it to level 40.
Okay, I'm gonna get back on Animal Jam.
Oh, what? You went offline? Oh,
Hi,
no,
I'm
you're still
buddying you,
here.
Animal Jam. Not buddy me back, please. Please. Your cry scream.
I wish you guys can buddy me.
can buddy me. I could buddy them on my spare. I think.
I'm proud of my
Oh my god.
14 buddies, and I will
Please,
keep it
bud.
that way.
Why are y'all just like Noise.
Noise?
Into the mouth?
No,
Noise.
please.
Oh my
No.
God.
Don't do that, please.
But I can tell you guys are not accepting right now.
Well,
Oh my
Sad
God.
truth.
we should all do like that sad emote face thing
Please.
from the
Guys.
member.
Imagine starring every jammer. I don't have motivation. What the?
Me neither. I could
Oh,
never.
screen recording, save the photos. Ahoy, matey! Okay, I'm not gonna
What?
question that.
Oh my
Okay,
God,
I just
what
gotta
are you
dis-
back?
Ahoy, matey!
I can star you?
Stop
Imagine
running
starring
into-
jammers. I
running-
only start
running for
trading
me.
dens.
Oh
And
please,
buddy
I
me
lag
back,
when I
please.
open my
Please, buddy me.
Starless.
I'm gonna cry. Look, I'm crying.
Alright.
Oh no.
Crying Atlantic Ocean water.
Gonna cry.
No, I'm
So
gonna
much
cry first,
tears.
and No, I'm gonna cry.
Your
I
emoji's
cried.
just like stuck in a position. It's just like sideways cry.
Sideways cry.
I have 49 subs. Ooh.
Ramen is better.
49 soups.
I said that's what I
Ramen
said.
is better.
Oh my God, Paul. What do you
My
back,
dream
please?
is ... 100.
Oh my gosh, these no. Okay. Discord, no. Oh my gosh, nobody cares. I don't care. Plus, dare go away. Discord notifications
Pawalunar
be like,
accepting buddy request right
hi.
now. Period.
Dream
every, like, 3
recording
seconds.
light go. I'm lagging like
Every
penguins
3 seconds.
having
Wow, that's so accurate.
nice time.
Thank you for believing in me, Azure. Oh my gosh, you
Wow, what a
believed in
true
them.
sport.
I am green Azure. I am very green
God.
Azure.
I'm
I am
greener.
a leaf emoji now.
Man, this paw is like
Hey,
the
why
best
can't
thing
I-
I've ever seen.
Wait, hold on.
I am lucky Azure.
Oh, what? The noise?
Oh my gosh, who's blasting their... Oh my gosh. Budgie, I swear if that's you.
I think that is Budgie because I have both of my animal jams open and I
Guys,
literally
no, please,
can't
it wasn't me.
install any
Oh
other
my God.
animal jam unless I install
Budgie be like,
Amazon
I'm gonna
and
blast
Bluestacks.
my buddying sound effects and jamagram sound effects in the microphone just to annoy the people in the video.
Oh yeah.
And
Totally cool.
you should add like a small
My
Oh my
feature.
gosh, you actually unbuddy me.
Oh, what?
Please buddy me back.
Yes!
I'm gonna cry.
Oh, what?
What? Your mom made ramen.
Yes.
Shut up.
That's so violent and you're like,
No.
You know how many guys, people watching the
Wink.
video, you guys know how many times I had to beg Pod for him to buddy my spare?
I'm gonna beg now for
Budgie,
him
buddy
to
me
buddy
back. I'm gonna cry.
My buddy-
Oh, wait,
Finally,
hey.
your buddy
Guys,
requests
new
are on.
person.
I feel
New
so
person.
confused.
Oh my gosh, that snowflake
I'm not
penguin.
buddying you.
Give.
Hold on.
Give.
Just kidding. Oh my God.
No!
Ah, hip.
Poor Sniffles. His allergies never seem to go away. Oh no!
Oh no, phew! Oh, hey, do you have like twin penguins or something? No, they just look really
I do
small.
have twin penguins.
They look like twins? I don't know if they are.
Oh
Ah.
my gosh, Budgie.
No, like the purple baby ones.
Ultra Berry and Spring Berry.
No,
They're
not
my
the
twin
green.
penguins. I put them on trade.
Berry and spring cherry.
My dog won't stop screaming.
Yeah, my sister won't stop screaming too.
Screaming. Where the heck did my charger go?
Thunder
I
Puppies,
I
that's
can't
for
believe
trade.
I have twins. I finally got twins after like a month.
A month.
Wait, hold on.
Please ignore the screaming in the background. Thank
But I've had these
Ignore
twins for a
kitten.
while.
you.
But it took me so long to try and get that twin because they were super picky.
Alright, how much did you trade for it?
I think I traded
He
like
traded his mom.
a white tip. I don't remember.
I think I traded that white tip. I don't remember.
I mean, like, white tip's kind of fair, I
Open the
guess.
party music video.
don't know.
Animal Jam play loud. Animal Jam play loud. Animal Jam play loud.
Oh, can you guys hear the screaming?
Budgie, I'm gonna scream.
Copyrighted music stays high.
Casually checks jamograms.
What are you? No,
I feel famous. I have a jamagram.
No Animal Jam play wild. Oh my gosh, what did you? Your den is locked. No, it's not. How is this? Oh my gosh.
This den is
Uh-oh.
locked. Located.
Wait, guys, our lucky party's in
8 minutes.
The lucky party's here? No, 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, I
Oh
can't
no,
wait 8
the lucky
minutes.
party.
8 minutes.
Arrgh.
Casually
must-
gonna become green Azure
8.
I must jump on
and
my
flex
bed.
my
You're
luckiness
greedy.
around.
Wait, hold on. Gonna get you copyrighted twice. On the lucky.
Copywritingness. Never play copyright music.
Bruh, how does
otherwise
that
you
even
will become
happen?
copyrighted
Like
music.
literal twin. Oh my gosh, my dog won't stop screaming. If you can hear my dog in the background,
That might be my sister,
Then
or maybe not.
just ignore it.
My sister is screaming her
How does
heart.
that even happen? Exact twins? I'm so confused.
I don't know, honestly. It's chance, I,
mean,
guess.
Even Thunderpuff has a twin, and many like different eyed twin. I saw a level 2 happy eye twin next to Thunderpuff. I saw a circle-eyed twin next to Thunderpuff. Like, I'm not even sure Thunderpuff is even the rarest penguin anymore.
Oh.
I know, there's like
Oof.
But he will always be the rarest penguin to me.
Dinner is prepared. I must go eat.
No!
My precious dinner is prepared.
Once again, the video was edited by Tasty Frap. Yes, the legendary.
No, why are you speeding up my video? I'm so...
Have a nice day and enjoy
Alright,
Budgie
bye,
screaming.
sir.
Goodbye. I might be back after dinner if you guys are still
Heartbroken
alive.
so
because
many
probably not,
times.
But yeah. Bye. Oh, what? I recorded all
so
that?
many
Okay.
times.